In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom events in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a marketing event in HubSpot so your team can track attendance, align communications, and report on performance with confidence. To get started, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account with the right permissions to manage marketing events. From your HubSpot home screen, head to the main navigation at the top and open the marketing menu. This is where HubSpot centralizes tools for planning and measuring activities across your funnel. Inside marketing, select events. The events area is your hub for webinars, conferences, workshops, and any custom event you want to measure. You'll see a list of existing events if your team has created any, along with quick filters and basic performance details. Now choose Create Marketing Event. This opens the event details panel where you'll enter the core information HubSpot uses for organization and reporting. Start by giving your event a clear, descriptive name. A reliable naming convention goes a long way. Consider including the format, topic, and date, like Webinar, Product Launch, APR 2026. That makes it easier to search and keeps your reports tidy. Next, add a description. Think of this as the internal snapshot of the event. Include the purpose, target audience, format, and any key milestones. This context helps teammates understand what the event is about without digging through docs. Add the start date. Choose the correct day and time, and double-check the time zone so your reminders and post-event follow-ups line up with your audience. Then add the end date. Make sure the end time reflects the real duration, including any Q&A or networking buffer you're planning. You'll also see a field for the organizer. Use this to indicate who's responsible for the event, whether that's a specific person, a team, or the hosting partner. Keeping this accurate helps with ownership, handoffs, and reporting by organizer. Once the details look right, click Create. HubSpot saves your new event and adds it to the events list. From here, you can come back anytime to update the description, adjust dates, or refine naming as plans evolve. Consistency is key. Clear names, meaningful descriptions, accurate dates, and a designated organizer will make your events easy to find and simple to report on. That's it. Your custom event is now created in HubSpot. If you found this helpful, follow along with your own account and keep your event data clean and consistent to get the most out of HubSpot's reporting.